Getting the annoying message is not recognized as an internal or external command. This usually means Windows can't find the program you're trying to run. In this guide, I'll show you how to identify the cause, check your path, run commands correctly, and fix common command not found problems. Let's get started. First, check the command itself. Make sure the spelling is correct and there are no unnecessary spaces or characters. For example, typing IPCONFIG correctly is different from accidentally entering IPCONFIGG. Simple mistakes like this are surprisingly common. Next, use the where command to check whether Windows can locate a program. For example, type where IPCONFIG. If Windows returns a file path, the command can be found. If it says it couldn't find anything, Windows may not know where that program is located. Your path environment variable tells Windows which folders to search when you enter a command. Type echo%path% in CMD to display it. Look for the folder containing the program you're trying to run. Don't randomly remove entries, because changing path incorrectly can cause other commands and applications to stop working. If you know exactly where the program is installed, try running it with its full path. For example, you can enter a quoted path such as c:/tools/myapp.exe. Quotation marks are important when the path contains spaces. If the full path works, the problem is likely related to path configuration. If the full path doesn't work, the program may not be installed correctly, or the executable may have been moved or deleted. Check the application's installation folder and confirm that the executable actually exists. If necessary, reinstall the program using its official installer. If you recently installed a program and CMD still can't find it, close the current command prompt window and open a new one. Some installation changes to path are only picked up by newly launched applications. This quick step can solve the problem without changing anything manually. And that's how to fix a CMD command that isn't recognized. Check the spelling, use where, inspect path, test the full path, verify the installation, and reopen CMD after installing new software. So before changing advanced Windows settings, work through these simple checks first.